Hey there everybody, today I will be unboxing and assembling this One Luck cat cage. This is a 4-tier design that is suitable for 1 to 2 cats. I've got 2 cats. This also has smooth mobility because it's got wheels, and we had one and it didn't have wheels and my wife wants to be able to move it around. It does have paw-safe platforms with 4 doors of accessibility. So this is gonna be a fun and safe place for my cats because I do have 2 dogs that like to sometimes invade the cat's personal space. So I'll walk you through step by step on how to assemble this and see it in action. It does come with an instruction book, and we're going to follow it step by step to make sure that we assemble it correctly. All right, so the first thing it wants us to do is put the wheels onto these brackets here. So let's do 4 at first. These wheels do have locks on them, so you are able to lock them in place. And all you do is press these in, real snug. Man, that is a hard press right there. So now we're going to connect the wheels to panel A, and that's these rectangle size ones, and they just easily snap into position. So now we're going to repeat that step. All right, so now our next step is to take the next panel A, and we are going to connect it to this panel, long end to long end, like that. And now it does come with zip ties like this, and so it's just these small little zip ties, and we are going to zip tie the base here together. So now this is zip tied together, it's secured, and now we are going to take and put on a layer above this, and this is where the floor is going to come in, and we're going to slide these into these grooves here like this. All right, now we've got the cat layer put in. It wants us to zip tie them. All right, so now we're going to install this door. So you want to make sure that it opens up to the outside, and you just have to slip it down in just like this here on one of the ends. There it is. So now what we're going to do is we're building the litter box area, and so we're going to put the door here, and we're going to just put in this here, and then we're going to put in the back wall, and now what we're going to do is put in our sides. So our next step is to install these brackets here for supporting the walls and the next level. And so they just clip on like this, pretty simple. Then we're going to install the platform level. Now we're going to install the front sides clips. Now what we're going to do is insert this window. This is going to go up into the litter box area so that you have a viewing window just like that. And through this whole process, you're going to want to be zip tying this together. So any joints where you attach stuff, you want to zip tie it. I'm not going to do that right now just because I'm trying to get this thing assembled. So now you can take this, slide that in there. You've got your litter box, and then here it comes with 2 trays, and so these will slide under here and catch any litter that happens to fall off your cat from the litter box. All right, so now our next step is going to be building out this next upper level, and we're going to start off with these pieces for the walls. Now I do these so that the side pieces are horizontal, so that the wires are going horizontal, just like that. And then with these pieces, I make sure that they are vertical. Now with these, you attach all the corner brackets, and next you install this wire frame here. And this adds support for this opening where the cat is going to be able to jump up. And I installed the wrong piece. I'm supposed to install a platform here. Now, for the best and most stable and secure way to do this is to make sure that all the pieces snap together in tight. So here we are going to install a door. And so then this is how you are able to secure your cat in there. It is spring loaded, so works pretty well. Now we're going to continue on up the rest. I made the next couple layers, and now I'm just putting on the last sidewalls. So now they do have flat surfaces that you can put on the very top, or you have the option of putting a wire frame on the top if you wanted your cats to get light or something. So that is an option. There we go. All right, so here is the kennel, and it's all assembled nicely. I'm 5'9", comes up to about my chin, and I think the cats are pretty happy with it. They've got plenty of space, plenty of room, and they are safely secure from the dogs. And I gotta say, the build was pretty easy, didn't take me very long, and it's pretty easy to move.